ACCA is a very valuable and unique qualification in many aspects. Not only it gives you a chartered certified accounting qualification, but also it opens many doors for you, such as getting a degree like BSc in accountancy, and when you are pursuing ACCA, and MSc in professional accountancy, etc. after you complete ACCA and you become a member. In turn, all these qualifications, all the feathers in your cap, all these strength for your career and your resume is going to help you in professional career, getting the right job, and getting into the right companies. And also, not to forget, when you want to make a move, or when you want to migrate to another country, such as UK, for example, even then it helps you. And I'll tell you how. So hello and welcome. This is Nidhish Singh. I'm Vice President in JP Morgan and founder of FinSapient Institute. FinSapient Institute provides coaching and classes for ACCA, CFA, FRM, and also various short-term courses, including IFRS, FinTech, etc. So coming back to our discussion, world is changing fast, and more skill set that we have, more and more credentials, the qualification that we have on our resume are going to certainly help you in a big way. While you're studying for ACCA, before you attempt paper F7 onward, you can register for BSc in accountancy with Oxford Brookes University, which is one of the highly reputed university in UK. All you need to do is completing a thesis or a project, thesis of 7,500 words, and also some half an hour length of PPT based presentation. Based on that assessment, you will be declared pass, of course, if everything goes well. Amount of time it takes is 6 months. You need to register, and then you need to prepare for the thesis and do the research. Of course, we can also help you and guide you how to complete that thesis. Of course, you have to do all the work, but we can help you in that. So that way, while you are pursuing ACCA and before F7 paper, you can register and you can get BSc in accountancy from Oxford Brookes University in 6 to 8 months' time. Isn't that great? Next, once you qualify as a member, or even when you are an affiliate of ACCA, you can consider and you can apply for MSc in Professional Accountancy from University of London. Again, it is ranked one of the top 10 universities across the world. University of London is highly reputed, and you can earn an MSc in Professional Accountancy from there after completing ACCA. There you need to pass 2 modules, 1 written examinations, and another module or the project that you need to complete. It will take, again, 6 to 8 months after you register. There will be 1 or 2 months of registration process, then another 6 months of examination, etc. So within 6 to 8 months, you will be getting your MSc as well. So ACCA helps you getting all these additional strength, which is highly reputed globally. It can help you not only in your respective countries to get the visa, to get the jobs and right skill set to excel in your career and profession, but also it can help you get the skill-based visa for various other countries. For example, UK. We know post-Brexit, UK is outside European Union. So one of the implications of that is that the professional who will be applying for the visa to work in UK will be all treated at par, whether they are from European Union or from India. So the new skilled visa, which has come in force since January 2021, that allows people from India to apply for a skilled visa, just like it is now for European Union. It was not the case earlier. European Union citizens or European countries were given the preference before India, and every employer had to ensure that the job is advertised across Europe, and every employer makes all the effort to select the candidates from European Union before they consider any employee from India and other countries. Now that is not the case. India is treated at par with European countries or any other countries now. And that's the meaning of skilled visa. So why I'm linking these two? Because if you have qualifications such as ACCA, if you have BSc in accountancy from Oxford Brookes or MSc from University of London, all these qualifications are going to help you in getting the right job or even checking the box for the visa. It will also help you getting the waiver from English test requirements, right? So all the journey, whether you want to stay within the country and get the right job in the right in your dream organization, or if you want to move abroad, everything will be smoother and easier if you study ACCA, if you consider all other different qualifications. And in the entire process, you can see sticking with ACCA, learning with ACCA is always going to help you in all respect. So as the massive change is underway across the world, there are Brexit in the news, pandemic is also alleviating now. Now it is a time that we maintain the focus on study, get the ACCA, either you can start or you can complete as soon as possible so that you can move on with your journey. Of course, I'm not an immigration consultant, but I can just give you these tips to consider. And in future, if you want to start with ACCA or you want any queries answered, you can always contact us. The contact details are given at the bottom of this video and the text. Yeah, you can go through that. You can call us, you can message us, and we'll be happy to help you in your journey. So keep your target and ambition high. We are there to support you. And don't forget to subscribe the video and the channel and share with your friends and colleagues as well, so that everyone gets the right information on time. We'll keep sharing relevant updates, details for your career, profession, ACCA, etc., so that you remain on the top of all the news. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck.